Flight over India. In the heart of India, along the picturesque Ganges River, unfolds one of the most fascinating traditions of clothes washing. This remarkable event places a strong emphasis on the richness of colors and rituals, creating an unforgettable spectacle for anyone fortunate enough to be part of it. The Ganges River serves as a natural laundry, where women from local communities gather to collectively work on washing and refreshing clothes. Every color of fabric has its place in this traditional process. Red saris, green dhotis, yellow scarves, these colors enliven the riverbanks, forming a picturesque landscape. Women engaged in washing clothes in the waters of the Ganges not only rejuvenate the materials, but also preserve cultural tradition and heritage. As the sun sets on the horizon and the Ganges River shimmers with colors from the worn fabrics, the entire event takes on a magical quality. Immersing oneself in this colorful washing tradition along the Ganges is not just about experiencing the beauty of colors, but also about forging a deep connection with the history and culture of this unique region.